Welcome to the 1-Minute Photography. In this video I will show you how to edit dark cinematic preset in Lightroom Classic. Let's go to Edit. Temperature +6. Tint +2. Exposure +0.10. Contrast +59. Highlights -100. Shadows +89. Whites -75. Black -20. Next go to the presence. Clarity +35. Vibrance +30. Saturation +13. And done. Next go to the curve and follow these steps. Now go to the color mix and first go to the red. Saturation -14. Luminance +18. Now go to the orange. Hue -8. Saturation -25. Luminance +8. Now go to the yellow. Hue and saturation -100. Luminance -21. Then go to the green. Hue +100 and saturation -100. Luminance +60. Next go to the aqua. Hue +100 and saturation -100. Luminance +38. Next go to the color grading tool and first go to the highlights. Hue 210. Saturation 12. And make balance to -15. Sharpening 22. Next go to the noise reduction. Luminance noise reduction 30. Color noise reduction 15. Then go to the effects. Vignetting -16. Midpoint 6. Feather 100. And done. Now you can save it as a preset and apply to your any photos. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like the video and see you next time.